BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachuti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 88 of season 3. Today's word is feasible. The meaning of feasible is practical, workable, realistic, achievable and conveniently possible. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word feasible. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Feasible is spelled as F-E-A-S-I-B-L-E. The word feasible means something which is practically achievable or realistic. For example, we may say that due to internet technology, it is feasible now for a teacher to offer instant guidance to a student based in a distant location. Listen carefully how we can use the word feasible in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The quality team noticed a spelling error in the label fixed on the product. They suggested that the products be recalled from the market to fix this problem. However, the products had reached the retailers and it was not feasible to recall the same. Don't you think the quality team should have been more vigilant? Moving on to example number 2 of 8. The religious festival brought few lakhs devotees to the temple. Due to security reasons, it was not feasible to allow everyone to enter the inner area of the temple. Hence, large TV monitors were installed in the premises for the benefit of the devotees. Let us understand example number 3 of 8. Matthew wanted to buy a shop to start his retail store. However, he realized that he needed $10,000 to make this purchase. Luckily, his bank offered him a business loan and that made it feasible for him to start the store. Example number 4 of 8. The cars parked on both sides of the road would cause traffic congestion in the city. The civic officers surveyed a central place in the city to check the feasibility of building a multi-level car parking system. Accordingly, a plan was submitted to the authorities. Do you know that you can speak in English just like your mother tongue? Get in touch with our trainers for free evaluation of your English and train you to build on your English fluency. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The CEO called a team meeting to decide on increasing the product price. The Vice President Sales informed everyone that their competitor too was launching a similar product at discounted rates. Hence, he commented that it was not feasible to increase the pricing. Do you agree with the Vice President? Example number 6 of 8. Kajal planned a trip to Nepal with her friends. After working out the total expected expenditure, she realized that it was not feasible for some of her friends to spend so much money. So she changed the plan to visit the northeastern hill stations of India. Example number 7 of 8. Raghavan was doing a research in a government institute on artificial intelligence. His boss hired a high-capacity computer for him and that made it feasible for him to complete the project. Can you think of any project where someone helped you and made it feasible to complete? Moving on to example number 8 of 8. Presently, several citizen groups are demanding that the Election Commission should check the feasibility of citizens voting from anywhere in India. If this is implemented, it is expected that the percentage of total voting will increase. Don't you agree with this? Today we learnt the word feasible, which means practical, workable, realistic, achievable, and conveniently possible. Can you frame 3 sentences with feasible and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to enhance your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 88 of 200 PM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.